Good morning, children. Welcome to Bio class. Today we shall start a new chapter, chapter 8, Human Health and Diseases. So this saying is will be very fit for this chapter. Every human being is the author of his own health or diseases. So here in your textbook, they have given two theories. Okay, first theory regarding health. Okay, because no, if it is a health, now we are in the advanced years, and based on so many scientists, now we gotten one clear cut idea about health. But before that years, so many scientists they did so many experiment, and they try to give so many philosophical concepts regarding health. So first we'll see the definition which was given by the author Hippocrates. Who is Hippocrates? He is a Greek scientist, and he is known he is known as the father of medicine. Okay, Hippocrates, he is a father of medicine, and he is a father of Indian Ayurveda also. He is a father of Indian Ayurveda also. And how he defined health means, he defined health as a state of body and mind. Very simply, he gave a definition for health. According to Hippocrates, what is health? Health is a state of body and mind. So he is telling not only body, not only mind, both combined only we can tell the person is a very healthy person. And also he told a person he want to be a very healthy in a state of body and mind means there should be a balance of certain humors. There should be a balance of certain humors. What do you mean by humors? HUMORS. And here's how we can able to define humors means, normally in your body, this and all it is of Hippocrates view. What I am discussing is, it is a view of Hippocrates. Okay, and what is humors? Humors is a concept where the human body contains, we all well know, the human body contains blood and other liquid and other mucous substance will be in our body. So if the human body contains blood like yellow bile, that is only your bile juices, and also black bile and phlegm, PHLEGM. So what are the four things? Blood, phlegm, 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 yellow bile and black bile. These are the four liquids or mucus which is present in our body. If any one of the liquid material is high or low, then we will get a different kind of disease. This is the concept was given by the Hippocrates, a Greek scientist. Is that clear, children? So what he told? Humors. What is humors? Humors is a condition where the four liquid or mucus like substance which can be in a proper position. If it is increased or decreased, we will get a disease. What are the four liquids which is present in our body? Blood, phlegm, yellow bile and black bile. And where the red blood cells are produced, that we know, red blood cells are produced in bone marrow, and also more blood also will be produced in the liver, that we have learned in 11th standard. And yellow bile will be produced in the liver, and the black bile it will produced in the spleen of your body. And phlegm, it was produced because of the initiation of the pituitary gland. So these are the four liquid or mucus, like phlegm and all, it is not a liquid, it is a mucus. And black bile, yellow bile, red blood and all, we can call it as a liquid. So any one of this will increase or decrease, then we will be ill. So this is the concept which was given by the Hippocrates. And he told a black bile, okay, he told if black bile, if a person has more amount of black bile means the person is very hot personality, and he will get a fever also. He will get a fever also. He told like that, Hippocrates. And afterwards a person came. That person we can call it as William Harvey. And he is a scientist, and he scientifically he has given an explanation that this concept what Hippocrates gave, the humor concept is not scientifically correct, because if a person is having more black bile, he experimentally demonstrated that the body person the person's temperature is very normal, and also he told if he has more black bile also, the person is not very much hot, and he will never be always with fever. So he disapproval the theory of Hippocrates. Okay, children, and he told it is not depends upon only the humor. Other factors are there to maintain or to tell whether the person is healthy or not. Is that clear, children? So what I have discussed, I told Hippocrates, a father of medicine and Ayurveda, he proposed or he gave a definition for health. Health is a state of body and mind. So how he can tell health is a state of body and mind means because based on certain humors. What are certain humors? Like red blood, yellow bile, black bile and phlegm. Spelling for phlegm is PHLEGM. Everything's like a liquid and mucus which is secreted by hormone, which was secreted with the help of pituitary gland or from a spleen, liver and other organs. When these concentrations were higher or low, we will get ill. We will be ill, not we will get. We will be ill. But here he told if a person is black bile, if person has more black bile means that person will be very hot personality, and he will always be very hot in their temperature. But it was disapproval by the William Harvey, and he has explained because he only discovered the circulation of blood in our body. So he told if a person has more black bile also, the temperature will be normal. So the concept which was given by the Hippocrates is, we are not following that. And what William Harvey told, and it is not only based on the humors, it is mainly based on the neural system and endocrine system, and also the immune system of our body. What are those? Neural system, that is only our endocrine system, neural and endocrine, that is chemical coordination and also your endocrine coordination, chemical and neural and chemical coordination. Neural and chemical coordination. Is that clear, children? What we have learned in grade 10, neural and chemical coordination, that is very important. And also how our body will possess immune system. Based on that only our health will be determined. Apart from that, in your book, textbook, they have given first 3 points, page number 145. So they have listed 3 important reasons for your health. First is health is affected by genetic disorders. Okay, health is affected by genetic disorders. And second is infections. Third one is lifestyle. So lifestyle include a kind of food, a diet, rest, exercise, and a person is addicted to any drug or alcohol, and also everything will list the main criteria to determine person health. Is that clear, children? So what are the characteristics which will determine the health? Neural and chemical coordination first, and second genetic disorder. Third, if a person is getting any infection from the surroundings. Fourth, a person's lifestyle determine the health nature of the persons. So what could be the lifestyle? A kind of food balance, or he is taking in more oily item, and whether he is addicted to junk food, or he is not at all taking rest, or he is not going for proper sleep, or he is always in a stress, and he is not doing exercise, and he doesn't have any proper workout every day. So these and all the reasons a person will get disease. So these are the criteria to determine a person is health or not. Is that clear, children? So what Hippocrates, we are not following Hippocrates, and we are following the William Harvey. Is that clear, children? So next we'll move on to the health. So health is defined as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. That is only very important. It is health is defined as the physical, mental and social well-being. And when people are healthy, they are more efficient at work. This increases productivity and brings economic prosperity also. That is also very, very important. And come to the fourth point, health also increases long life and reduces infant and maternal mortality. Okay, that is also it will reduce. The good health is maintained by balanced diet, personal hygiene and regular exercise. This and all we have already discussed now. So this is the definition which was given by the William Harvey. And next video we shall start with the disease. Okay, what is the importance of health and what kind of disease now human beings are getting. Okay, thank you children.